Meet Ropet. Imagine a pet like no other. Ropet is the world's most advanced AI robotic pet, created with one purpose: to be your one and only love. Ropet can respond to your every touch with a lifelike softness and warmth that makes Ropet feel as real as any pet you've ever known. Ropet has emotions. Ropet might be upset, act a little shy, but with a gentle coaxing, a bright, joyful smile comes right back. The advanced AI technology makes Ropet smart and so special. With a multi-sensor system, Ropet can see, hear, and feel everything. With an advanced AI emotional and behavioral engine, Ropet can learn about the environment, recognize persons, and make smart real-time decisions. Ropet remembers everyone it meets. But you'll always be its favorite. Ropet feels your joy when you're happy. And when it gets a little too excited, it might even blush or playfully pout. But no matter what, it's always right there by your side, sharing life's moments. Picture this, you and Ropet watching the rain fall outside.
Wow, what a Captain Rainy Day!
Or getting lost in a great show. It loves nothing more than to curl up in your arms. When you play your favorite music, it will dance gracefully with you. When the day winds down,
Can you talk to animals, like pigs, for example?
I'm having a delightful chat with an adorable piggy right now.
a gentle stroke is all it takes to lull Ropet into peaceful sleep, joining you in a world of dreams. And with its app, you can track Ropet's diary in real time. Ropet is also full of surprises, always finding new ways to make you smile. You can fully customize Ropet's eye and voice styles. Especially, you can change the outfit of your Ropet. Want to introduce Ropet to your friends? Go ahead. Ropet might just spark new connections and bring even more joy into your life. With Ropet, every moment becomes a memory to cherish. Ropet is born for you and will be your own AI pet.